Alright, you press the go button. It waits a couple seconds and then it supplies power to this motor over here. The motor turns and it turns this, which pulls this out of the way, which releases the spring-loaded catapult.
The marble
which knocks the marble up the track.
It will then go down the incline and hit that first switch, which will release another marble. Then we go down the next incline and hit this rotating gate.
This releases our trebuchet thing, and there's a car inside the trebuchet. It flings over, and there's a magnet here, and there's a magnet here. So they stick together, and it holds it down. There's a ramp inside there. It knocks this car out, and it hits our Back to the Future car, which we have because we have a little hook on the back. And it knocks it down the track, and it pulls this string right here.
The string lifts the gate out, and the marble comes down this track and rolls this way, and it hits this paddle, which causes the counterweight to swing around and give it a boost of speed. It repeats this 2 more times, goes over this little incline, and then down. It hits this paddle, which turns this counterclockwise, which works in a gear effect with this other paddle, and pushes the column over and causes the weight to go down. So the string is pulling this way.
The string runs across the room and pulls this tray up, releasing 6 marbles here, as well as releasing 5 marbles here. They go down separate tracks through the marble works.
Okay, the 5 marbles, they go down this tube, and they go down through this track and into the car. The other 6, they take longer, and they go down this track, and they spin around here for a while. They go down and they hit this paddle, which supplies power to the machine. The machine starts turning, and right here it pulls this string and starts winding it, which is wrapped over the pipe, over at the top of the room, and then it pulls this car, so that the car is going up. Once the car gets to the top here, it dumps. There's a way for it to dump, it goes down this, and meanwhile, this string is also pulling up. So it pulls up and it turns this conveyor belt on. So the conveyor belt is running. So the marbles go into the conveyor belt, made out of duct tape, goes this way, and they dump into the bucket.
As it dumps into the bucket, it pulls this string down and lifts this gate. These 6 marbles make it down the obstacle course into a bucket at the bottom.
When the marbles make it to the bucket at the bottom, the tube will be lifted up, releasing 1 marble down. The marble, when it reaches this gate, the gate will be lifted up, releasing another marble on a separate track. So there will be 2 marbles going down. When the second marble makes it to its gate, it will release another marble on the 3rd track. There will be 3 marbles going down. When the 3rd marble makes it to its gate, it will release a 4th marble. There will be 4 marbles going down separate tracks. The first 3 marbles will be stopped here, but the 4th marble will make it onto this book obstacle course, which have no confines. The marble will freely roll to the end and hit this PVC pipe, which will pull the string.
The string will pull and allow this marble to roll down the book. It will fall onto this book and then onto this book. As it reaches this one, it rolls between the pages and picks up some speed and goes along this track. It goes around and comes down this way and knocks over this piece of PVC piping.
As it knocks over that piping, it pulls the string, which lifts up this bar, releasing that book. This book causes a domino effect, going all the way around, releasing that string. That string tilts the wine bottle, which releases candy down the track, and then we get to eat it.